right, let's move on to number 6. We have 618 minus 254. 8 minus 4 equals, get ready, 4. We can't take away 5 from 1, so we need to borrow from the 6. So 11 minus 5 equals 6. 5 minus 2 equals 3. All right, so let's write our $4.52 and our $1.79. So we are adding, so 9 plus 2 equals 11. 7 plus 6 equals 13. And 4 plus 1 is 5, plus 1 more is 6. Make sure we put our decimal and our dollar sign. 2 more. 8 plus 2 is 10, and 10 plus 6 is 16. Carry that 1. Well, we have 7 and 3, that's a 10. 10 plus 5 is 15, plus 1 is 16. All right. 6 plus 7 is 13, plus 2 more equals 15. Bring your 5, carry your 1. So let's see. 1, 2 plus 5 is 7, and 7 plus 6 is 13.